this is one of Gabe's Moto tips on his Hoka trips. And one of the things that happens in my Harley Tour Pack is that every time I hit a bump after, you know, when everything is new, but when it gets worn down, you got to find something better or replace it with the original. But here I've got the latch it, and it just pops open. And the thing is open, even though it's locked. I can put the lock on it. People say, I put the lock. But it's still good jump, and it pops open. And all my stuff got wet because I got caught in the rain, believing that it was shut. But what I did temporarily was put just this duct tape to hold it. And some of you guys are saying, I don't want to put duct tape on my bike because it's beautiful. I wash and wax it every day. Well, there's got to be an alternative. I don't know what it is yet, but there has to be a fix. So if anybody has the fix on the Harley latches, please put it down below. And this is my tip. Duct tape solves all problems except bad marriages. For that, just call Gabe, attorneythatrides.com.